In this question, they have filled mineral oil between the narrow gap up to horizontal smooth plate. The setup heads are meant to maintain the plate at desired temperature. At this temperature, only radiative heat flux is negligible. The thermal conductivity of the oil does not vary perceptibly in temperature range. Consider for experimental at steady state under different experimental conditions as shown in figure. So I am explaining about the question first. In experimental setup 1, they have maintained bottom plate at 60 degrees Celsius and upper plate at 30 degrees Celsius, and amount of heat flux is 15 watt per meter squared. In second experimental setup, bottom plate at 35 degrees Celsius and upper plate at 70 degrees Celsius, while amount of heat flux is 40 watt per meter squared. In experimental setup 3, bottom plate at 80 degrees Celsius and top plate at 40 degrees Celsius, and they in experimental setup 4, bottom plate at 45 degrees Celsius and top plate at 90 degrees Celsius. They are asking to calculate the flux of experimental setup 4. So here I am giving the solution of this question. Temperature is only varying in x direction because heat flux is given only x direction. Now combined energy flux is given by the equations which I am mentioning here. Ax equal to half rho v square plus rho u dot vx phi dot vx plus qx. Here first term represent convective heat flux and second term represent work flux, while the third term represent conductive heat flux. So v square nothing but the square of magnitude of velocity which is given by vx square plus vy square plus vz square. But here vy and vz 0 because oil filled between gap into two plates. So and rho u internal energy per unit volume, half rho v square nothing but kinetic energy per unit volume. Here velocity vx बराबर velocity in x direction and phi represent momentum flux. Phi dot vx representing work flux which is given by phi xx vx, phi xy vy and phi xz vz, but here vy and vz 0, so it is equal to phi xx vx. Here qx representing conductive heat flux, and our combined energy equation become half rho vx square plus rho u dot vx plus phi xx dot vx plus qx. Density is inversely proportional to temperature. So in case first and third bottom plate has high temperature, so molecules near bottom plate has low density and move upward, while the upper plate has low temperature, so molecule near upper plate has low density and move downward. This is the reason behind the bulk motion of molecule. So in case first and third, we can't neglect the convective flux term and work flux term, while in case 2, second and fourth bottom plate has low temperature, so molecule near this plate has high density, and top plate has high temperature, so molecule near top plate has low density. So low density molecule is upper side and high density molecule is bottom side, so there is no bulk motion of molecules, and in case second and fourth we can neglect the work flux term and convective heat flux term. So here only remain flux is due to conduction. So total heat flux is only because of conduction, which is given by minus k dt by dx, which can be converted into k delta t by b. Here k and b is constant. B is nothing but the distance between plates. So flux is only proportional to delta t. Using this proportionality, we stabilize the relation which is ax of experiment 2 divided by ex of experiment 4, which is equal to delta t of experiment 2 divided by delta t of experiment 4. Substituting the value in this relation, we can calculate the value of flux for experimental setup 4.